except they weren't called shade balls at the time. The time.
This product existed, and they're called bird balls, and they use they use they use it on on pawns that had mine tailings where they didn't want waterfowl tailings where they didn't want waterfowl go waterfowl to go and get poisoned and also around airports where there were ponds, and they were ponds and they want to keep the waterfowl out,